This small device holds enough energy to charge your phone multiple times. But inside... Today, we go inside a modern battery factory to see exactly how power banks are made.
This is where advanced engineering and automation combine to produce reliable, portable power.
Every power bank is built through carefully controlled manufacturing stages. The process begins with lithium-ion battery cells, the core energy source of the power bank. Each cell is carefully inspected to ensure maximum performance and safety.
Cells are sorted based on voltage, size, and capacity.
Testing ensures each battery meets strict quality standards.
They are now ready to be assembled into battery packs.
Laser welding creates secure electrical connections between cells.
This combined pack stores the energy used to power devices.
The protection circuit prevents overheating and overcharging. Insulation ensures safe and reliable operation. The battery pack is carefully installed.
The outer casing is formed using precision injection molding.
This casing protects internal components. Each casing is inspected for structural quality. The battery pack is carefully installed. Charging ports are installed to allow energy transfer. The circuits control power flow safely. The device is sealed to protect internal components.
Each unit is tested for charging performance.
Safety testing ensures long-term reliability. The finished power banks are packaged.
They are prepared for shipping.
Power banks are shipped worldwide.
And that's how power banks are made, combining advanced battery technology and precision manufacturing. Subscribe to Factory Explorer for more factory documentaries.